What's going on, guys? This is Blader Jordan here today, and I'm back with another Metal Fight Beyblade battle. This time we have another Metal Fight Beyblade battle in the Super Vortex Stadium, and it's going to be Galaxy Pegasus W105R²F Right Rubber Flat going up against Lightning Nail Drago 100 All Flat. So since the Galaxy Pegasus versus Meteor Drago did pretty well, I'm going to see if Galaxy Pegasus can actually stand a chance against the Lightning Nail Drago, the de-evolution of Meteor Drago. So yeah, let's see, will Galaxy Pegasus stand a chance or actually even win, or will this end up like the Meteor Drago battle? So yeah, let's get started. Oh wow, okay, good attacks by Galaxy Pegasus, but unfortunately it is knocked out. Okay, go shoot. Yeah, the upper attack on Lightning Nail Drago is so dangerous. Okay, and Lightning Nail Drago takes another. So this is not looking good for a Galaxy Pegasus right now. Let's go shoot. Okay, nice draw right there. Jeez, even my walls are messing up. Okay, go shoot. Go shoot. Okay, 3-0. Damn. Go shoot. Dude. Yeah, Galaxy Pegasus is knocked out and El Drago takes another. This is insane. So this could potentially be the final round. Go shoot. Wow, okay. Galaxy Pegasus is down, but I'm going to do a few more rounds just to make it more entertaining. Go shoot. Alright, finally, Galaxy Pegasus gets a knockout. It's 5-1. Let's do 2 more rounds. So go shoot. Okay. 6-1, I think. Yeah, 6-1. Okay. 6-2. Go shoot. Oh, my walls are just all out of place right now. Seven to 2. Final round. I mean, well, duh. Oh, Galaxy Pegasus wins it. Nice. Only if we could have done something like this earlier in the battle. Go shoot. Okay, it's 7 to... Where did... Oh, Galaxy's right there. It's 7 to... I don't even know. It's 7-3? Yeah, 7-3. Go shoot. Damn, 8-3. And Lightning El Drago is the winner of this battle and beats Galaxy Pegasus. I guess relatively speaking, Galaxy Pegasus did do better against Lightning El Drago. Only because I extended the rounds, I guess, but still. Galaxy Pegasus was able to get some W's, but Ultimately, Lightning Nail Drago is the winner of this battle. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more Metal Fight Beyblade battles coming your way. And please subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later.